There's about 30,000 different species of fish on Earth. When you go snorkeling on a tropical coral reef, sometimes you'll take along a waterproof card with pictures of the colorful fish, and it's fun to be able to identify them. Some of them are very brightly colored, they have diagnostic features on them, and you walk away feeling pretty sure that you know what you saw. But now think about the ones that aren't so brightly colored, that are small, or things that are very, very similar. Now think about them as fillets. When you go into a fish market, can you really tell what species is which just by looking at the fillets? And that's why about 30% of the time, the fish that you buy in a sushi restaurant or the fillets that you buy at a seafood market aren't correctly labeled. Whether it's accidental or intentional, that's a different question. But it demonstrates that it's really hard to identify the species when it comes in a processed form. Endangered species are trafficked the same way. They're sold as something that's legal, something that's not protected or regulated, but in fact, it's been fraudulently labeled to avoid criminal prosecution. Overfishing of sharks is a terrible problem that's caused many species to be added to the endangered species list. When you go into a seafood market, shark is available usually as steaks or fillets. Without the diagnostic features, how can you tell whether that piece of fish is a member of an endangered species or not? DNA barcoding is being used by many organizations and government agencies to validate the labeling on seafood, to detect fraud, and to protect endangered species. We'll be talking more about how DNA barcoding can protect endangered species in the marketplace and in the wild in upcoming episodes.